So let's say that you're done with your explorers portion of the project. This is all done. You've gone through everything and you filled up both of your slides. I haven't, but for the sake of arguments, let's say that you have. Now you're on to the effects, the lasting effects of European exploration. Um, we want to see basically based on, at least for my particular country topic, Spain, what did Spain do or their exploration, what kind of effects did they leave behind that affect our lives today? Now you're going to be looking at six different areas: place names, architecture, languages, religions, agricultural products and practices, and there's some miscellaneous stuff like fun facts, games, tools, inventions, etc. Um, if we go ahead and scroll down here, we can go to the actual information slide where we have all the different links. And just like before with the exploration one, for the Explorer, you have to cite where you got your information. So if we're going to go ahead and start up here with place names, non-English city names, here's a link. Click over here. And let's see here. Okay, I'm doing Spanish Explorer, so here we have Spain. Let me zoom in. All right, here it says California, Texas, and southwestern states may actually have more Spanish named cities than English ones. We have certain cities named for Catholic saints. San Francisco, Santa Fe. You've got Los Angeles, which means the angels. Las Vegas meaning the meadows. Okay, so you have plenty of stuff here that actually shows different place names. Let me go back to my project here. I want to find place names. All right, so place name looks good. Let me find out on the fake example one, fake student example. And I see this layout right here, so I'm going to, let's see here, what might be nice. Let me go ahead and use San Francisco and Los Angeles. But first I need to get some pictures. So Los Angeles, there we go, images. Ooh, lovely, plenty of options here. Let me get the skyline, I guess. That looks interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead, save image as, put it in my downloads folder. Let me go to this page because I need to go ahead and get the link so I can save or reference where I got the information from. So let me copy that. And where it says place names, I'm going to put it underneath where did I find the information. Edit, paste. Ooh, let me move that up a little bit. I'm also going to go ahead and copy and paste this page right here because I'm going to use these city names as well. That's where I got the original city names. So let me add that too. Now, let's go ahead and enter some place names. So insert image. That's what I want. Open it up. A little bit too big, so I'm going to shrink it down. And let me insert a text box. I'm just going to explain what this is a picture of. This is a picture of Los Angeles, or Los Angeles. It actually means the angels. And it, into a comma, and it is a Spanish name. So I can also go back here. I kind of like the way that looks. I might even go back and enlarge the picture, I don't know. But let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, Las Vegas. So I can go ahead and get a picture of Las Vegas, do a caption for that, say what it means, what it has to do with Spain, and go from there. So basically, all you're doing is making certain that, according to this right here, that you're finding your information, copying what you actually need in terms of its location to reference where you got your information from, and putting in different cool photographs. Keep in mind the fake student example. And I would say for each of the sections, for place names, languages, etc., you want to do at least 2 slides. That's at the very minimum. I would say go ahead and do 2 slides for each. And if you feel very ambitious, you can always go back and do more. But once again, you want to keep that example open so you can have an idea of what you can do for each particular slide. It will help you in the long run, I promise. So that's about it. Good luck to you and happy trails.